Learning is fun when you nurture the passion for it and continuously develop it through experiences. Welcome to Ankuran, the home of experiential learning. We demystify science and technology through experiential learning. It helps students remain focused through active learning, enabling them to be engaged rather than bored and disinterested. Learn differently by engaging them emotionally. We help them experience learning in a dynamic, new way. Learn faster by learning firsthand, improving their content retention. Ankuran aims to enrich the school curriculum and equip students with Kolb's experiential learning theory, that is, experiencing, reflecting, thinking, acting. We have state-of-the-art infrastructure that collectively functions with traditional learning. It helps students understand the concepts at school with the 3 R's of experiential learning. They are rationalism, the understanding of cause and effect relationships in experiments. Reflection, reflecting on outcomes after completing every experiment. Reiteration, experimenting again regardless of the outcome by changing different parameters each time for a holistic understanding of the underlying concepts. Last but foremost, our trusted academicians develop agile learning processes and reliable curricula, fortifying our honest efforts to provide a holistic, open platform to the next-gen scholars. With the perfect union of abstract conceptualization and concrete experience, we equip students to tackle the unexplored boundaries of science and technology to become future-ready.